Hi everyone, I'm here at Disney's Yacht Club. I'll be staying in room 1015. Let's take a look at the room. So as you enter, if you turn to the left, you'll see this coffee station with cups, water glasses, and then if we open this cabinet here, we have a refrigerator to keep your items cold. And then we walk a little bit down the hallway and we have this cabinet space here. It's a closet. Inside the closet is plenty of hanging space. Hangers, shelves. An ironing board, safe. More room on the bottom for shoes, clothes. And then if we swing over to the right, we'll see the bathroom. Walk in. We have this beautiful shower door. It's like a waterfall look. Here's a look inside the shower. And one of my favorite things about staying at the Yacht Club are the lotion, soap, and shampoo and conditioner that you're going to find in your bathroom. Really nice. Where the towels are. Here's a double sink vanity. Plenty of cabinet space below to store items. We're going to walk out. Here is a dresser / entertainment center with a large TV. Lots of storage space. Here's where we keep the extra pillow and blanket in case you're cold. And then over here we have a nice sitting area, a writing desk, chair. Turn around. Here's another nice spot to sit with a lamp. And this room has 2 queens. It's beautiful. And another thing I was going to show you is the storage space underneath the bed. So you can squeeze your suitcase underneath there. Here's another little nightstand with some extra storage. The phone. This is really neat. The lights on the side of the headboard for nighttime reading if you don't want to wake someone up. What I wanted to show you out here, this room, the outside, we have a really pretty view, I think. We have our own little private patio area, and this is a water view. It's really beautiful. And here you're going to find a nice patio area to sit. Enjoy your coffee in the morning, some quiet time or in the evening, just to relax out here. And that is the tour of the room. This is lperna with Wishes Family Travel. If you have any other questions about the Yacht Club, please email me. I would love to talk to you. Bye.